Hi guys, to this video we are playing Dead Rails. In the part 2 I will playing with my friend Aaron. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you're not missing my videos. And share it with your friends so we can play with you. So guys, we are giving away a train if we have 1,000 buns. But I used all my buns. Of course, my account got hacked. So sorry guys. So we are playing with all players. Hey doctor, come. Come doctor. Come doctor. No name underscore. She is a good. I don't know she is a good person or not. Luck. Is she a good person? I need to store this gold because I'm busy stealing this. Nagbablog ako. Ano vlog video yan? Nagtama ka ba? Mauulit na naman ng vlog. Ayun yan. Sa YouTube ko tayo pumaw. Ulit na naman. Ha? Ano? Dumaan dito si Kuya. Dumaan doon. Superman to na. Si Batman natin. Pumunta. Tara dito. Kuya mo natulog. Sorry guys, my friend it's too annoying to us. 2 minutes to go on in 80 kilometers. So wish me luck. I forgot to sell the gold. Sorry guys. I will buy at. Oh, she is giving a 1 code. Thank you. Okay, let's buy a 3 code. I'm using a survivalist, so I can solo with no friends. Then, so let's start out. My friend, she is now driving the train. She no idea I putting the newspaper for here. Oh my friend, can you stop? We are chasing our food. Help. Gagi, ikaw yan, ikaw yan. We are see a ferry. We need to stop there. Oh, I see a auto. So we need to careful. Pick you up again. I see a unicorn.
No way. No way. How? How
Of
do you
course,
get that?
I'm lucky.
Really? You're so lucky or not?
I'm so lucky.
Oh no, it's not. Wait, no, no. Saan? Saan yung ano? Saan ang pungit? Bakit? Nakuha ko na yun eh.
Gusto mong i-post kita sa YouTube, i-bash kita doon. Tapos para di ka anuhin nila.
Ayan, look. Lolo, malaki.
Sabihin ko you're ugly.
You're ugly. My friend is ugly.
No, my friend, why are you sucking the unicorn? Oh, she's protecting it for the apple. Yeah, she is annoying. Miko so annoying, she can't stop talking.
Magaling.
My friend Simon, she got angry with my friend Miko. So, Simon, be chill. So, sumama kila Kyle. Ay, sumama to kila Nico. Sumama kila Nico. Basta street sila.